To let go does not mean to get rid of. To let go means to let be. Jack Kornfield, in his book, The Wise Heart, A Guide to the Universal Teachings of Buddhist Psychology. This is a nice little statement by Jack Kornfield, teacher of the Vipassana tradition of Buddhism. Letting go doesn't mean we have to forcibly let go of things or, as he says, get rid of them. It means, as he says, letting go means to let be. It basically means just release and open. We don't have to do anything particularly contrived or in a sort of strategic way. We just let be. That means trusting. We can just let be, let go, let be. It's the same thing. It means we don't have to hold on. Truly letting go means we're not holding on. We don't have to analyze. We don't have to think about it any longer. We just open up to how things are. This is freedom. Letting be is opening to freedom.
Thank you for watching Buddhist Daily. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. See you tomorrow.